So guys, this is AC adapter. This is for the AC input, and this is DC output. And here is a DC motor, DC output of 12 volts. And here's our inverter, the driver, and the so guys, let's test it and see. Let me on it. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a powerful inverter. As you can see, this is our transformer. We have the CFL bulb and also our drivers, the switch, and the batteries. So guys, follow up and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, here is our inverter, as you can see guys, and here are the driver I'm using. I have a resistor. This is a 360 ohms resistor guys. So I connect the wire to the source and to the gate of this Mosfet, and the other resistor as well. I use the same resistor, which is 360 ohms. Gate, source to gate, source to gate. Then I have other resistor here, and this is another resistor. I sellotape it from the gate to the drain of this second Mosfet, and from the gate here to the second drain of the first Mosfet guys. So these two yellow wire, we are going to connect it to these two black wire. Then the yellow wire came from the middle pin, the drain pin of the Mosfet, the two yellow wire. Now we are connecting it here, and this is our positive guys. So I'm going to leave a diagram below so that we can understand this very well. As you can see, this red wire came from the middle pin and connect to the yellow wire here, and this black wire also came from the middle pin, and this is it. So we are connecting it to these black wires, and this is our positive input, and here is our negative guys. Was connected parallel. As you can see guys, I'm using n-channel Mosfets. So all the resistor we are using here is 4. We use this one from source to gate, source to gate. Then we connect gate to source, gate to drain, gate to drain guys. So that's how we do it guys. So I will leave a diagram below so that we can know how to make use of this driver. So let me connect it now guys. The yellow wire to this black wire. So guys, about this transformer, I will leave a link down below so that we can watch how to make this transformer, inverter transformer. So this is our output, AC output, this is the input, and this is the positive. So I will leave a link below so that we can watch how to make the inverter transformer guys. So here is our driver. So as you can see, I've connected the wires, 2 wire guys. As you can see, the yellow wire. Then this is our positive, and here is the negative input guys. So as you can see, so guys, here is the resistor, source to gate, source to gate. Then we have another resistor that came from gate to drain, gate to drain. So our wire came from the middle pin of the Mosfet, and this is the 2 wire guys. So this is our output. So guys, we are going to test it. I'm using 6 volt battery. As you can see guys, this Here is a switch, guys. So this is the positive, guys, and we've connected it to the switch, and this is our positive, and here is the negative, guys. So let's test it. We have our 6-volt battery. This is the positive and this is the negative. I've connected it in series, minus plus in series. So this is the negative and here is the positive, guys. So we are using 6-volt battery to power it up. So let's test it, guys, and see how this thing will work. So as you can see, guys, I've connected our battery and this is the switch. As you can see, I've switched it off. This is our positive and here is the output. So we are going to test it with all these bulbs, guys. As you can see, this is CFL bulb, 9 watts, and this is LED bulb, guys, and this is 5 watts, as you can see. So let's test it, guys, and see how this thing is working. So we've switched it off. So let me switch it on, guys. So as you can see, our inverter is working. Let me off it. On it. As you can see. So guys, I have a CFL bulb here, as you can see. See, the screw is very small, it cannot enter here. So let's test it here, guys. So I'm going to release the so let me on it, guys. As you can see, it is working. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, guys. As you can see, it is working. So guys, this is CFL bulb, 18 watts. As you can see, this is 18 watts CFL bulb, 220 volts. As you can see, guys, so I want us to test it with this bulb and see maybe our inverter can power it. So let's remove this one and put this. So guys, as you can see, so let's on it, guys. So as you can see, it is working. I think the battery is low. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, I want to add this voltage multiplier. As you can see, this is a voltage multiplier, 2 diode and a series capacitor. So I want to add it so that we can use it to power this bulb. As you can see, guys. So let's try it, guys. Let me on it, guys, and see. See, guys. So guys, this is AC adapter. This is for the AC input, and this is DC output. And here is a DC motor, DC output of 12 volts. And here's our inverter, the driver, and the... So guys, let's test it and see. Let me on it. As you can see, guys, it is working massively.